From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and stuffy nose? The LEVOIT Evaporative Humidifiers for Bedroom Baby is here to change that. This game-changing device uses advanced evaporation technology to add moisture to the air without creating a mist, making it perfect for your baby's nursery. With its efficient filtration system, it removes impurities from the air, leaving you with a cleaner and healthier environment. You'll love the soft, warm tone light that creates a peaceful ambience, ideal for bedtime. But what really sets it apart is its ability to accurately monitor humidity levels, ensuring your baby's room is always at the perfect comfort level. As one of the most popular humidifiers on the market, thousands of customers have made the switch and love it. The auto-drying function is a total lifesaver, keeping the wick filtered dry after use and minimizing mold growth. Imagine being able to adjust the light to your liking, creating a cozy atmosphere that's perfect for your little one to drift off to sleep. The LEVOIT Evaporative Humidifiers for Bedroom Baby is also incredibly easy to use, with a sensor that monitors humidity directly where it's placed, not where the humidifier is located. This means you can place it anywhere in the room and still get accurate readings. In real-life use, this humidifier has been a total rock star, providing relief from dry air and creating a comfortable sleep environment. Unlike other humidifiers that can be loud and clunky, this one is whisper quiet and compact, making it perfect for small nurseries. The efficient filtration system also means you'll be breathing easier, with cleaner air and reduced allergens. Whether you're a new parent or just looking for a better night's sleep, the LEVOIT Evaporative Humidifiers for Bedroom Baby is the perfect solution. So why wait? Give your baby the gift of a comfortable and healthy sleep environment, and get your LEVOIT EV. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.